By the end of this video, you will know how to add product variants in Shopify. From your Shopify admin, start by clicking Products. This opens the area where all of your items are listed, so you can choose the one that needs different versions, like sizes, colors, or materials. Select the product you want to update. Once the product page opens, scroll down until you reach the Variants section. This is where Shopify lets you create multiple versions of the same product while keeping them grouped under one listing. In the Variants section, click Add options like size or color. Shopify will then prompt you to define what type of variation you want to offer. In the option name field, enter the name of that variation. Common examples are size, color, or material. The option name should match the way you want customers to see and select the variant on the product page. Next, add the option values for that option. If you entered size, the values might be small, medium, and large. If you entered color, the values could be black, white, and blue. Each value should be entered as its own choice so Shopify can build separate variants from them. If your product has more than one kind of variation, add additional options. For example, a shirt might have both size and color, or a product might vary by material as well. As you add more options and values, Shopify combines them to create a variant for each possible option combination. This is useful to review carefully, especially when one product can generate several combinations at once. Once Shopify creates the variants, take a moment to review them in the list. Look over the combinations that appear and make sure they match the versions you want available for the product. This is the point where you can confirm that the structure is correct before entering the details for each one. After that, set the information for each variant as needed. You can enter a price, update inventory, assign a SKU, add a barcode, and fill in any other fields Shopify provides for that specific variant. Some variants may share the same details, while others may need their own pricing or stock levels, so check each row carefully before saving. When everything looks correct, click Save. This applies the new variant setup to the product and stores the option combinations and their details in Shopify. Your Shopify product now has variants added with the option names, values, and individual variant details saved.